Hello po. Ako po si Raymond Pineda from Legazpi City, Albay po. Um, Ako po, dati po akong sikat dito sa Albay. Member po ako ng banda. Dati po. Dati po yun, member po ako ng banda. And ngayon, kumakanta ako pag may mga singing contest, lalo na sa mga mall and mga sa pistahan po. Sometimes po, nanalo po ako ng, ako po yung nag-run winner. Ang kinanta ko po noon, yung kay Eric Santos na kanta, yung This is the Moment. Yun po ang pinanalunan ko nung pagkanta ko po noong pa, yung elementary pa po ako. Ang edad ko pa noon is 14 years old noon. Ang gusto ko lang po, gusto ko pong maging sikat na singer. Gusto ko pong mahasa ang aking talento, ang aking boses, na sana gumaling pa po ako. Naiingit nga po ako sa mga sikat ngayon na singer, lalo na yung mga sikat ngayon na singer, Eric Santos, Sarah Geronimo, gusto ko silang makajuwi.
Walang hiya sa...
Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat po. Bago po ang lahat, may iaalay po ako sa inyong kanta. Itong kanta to, para sa inyo po to. Salamat po. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could you love me so blind? We stayed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see that you love me to me. Open arms, living without you, living alone. This empty house was so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near, and I loved before. But now will we come back to loving today? I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see, but you love me to me. Open arms. Thank you very much po. Thank you po sa mga nanonood sa amin at lalo na sa mga nakikinig sa amin dito sa video ginawa ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Madami pa po akong ibang kanta. Sasampulan po kayo ng isang kanta po. By Air Supply po to. When you say I miss the things you do, I just wanna get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is near enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow. All the emptiness inside me flows. all around, and there's no way down. I'm just taking too much of you. There was never any doubt. I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's for all to spend my life alone with you. When the look was thought my life was wrong, you took my love and gave it somewhere to belong. I'll be here when all peace are outside. I just wish that I was next to you tonight. And all I'm reaching for you, even though you'll be somewhere else, my love will glow like a bird all this day back home. I could never let you go, and I just want you to know I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's for all to spend my life alone with you. Where are you now? Alone. You've been loved somehow. You will always be there. And you know I'll always be there. I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. And now it's for real to spend my life alone. I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. And now it's for all to spend my life alone with you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Madami pa po akong ibang kanta. Kakantay ko po sila para sa inyo po. Meron pa akong kantang yung kanta ko na yung by Brian Tremulo po, yung Dadalhin by Rigid Glasses. Kakantay ko po yung Dadalhin. Thank you po. Ang pangarap ko'y nagmula sa'yo. Sa iyong ganda ang puso'y di makalimot. Tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip ng bituin sa iyong mga mata. Kay sarap nitong pag-ibig, lalo pa sa sinabi mo. Ang pangarap ko, ang iyong binubuhay, pagkat ikaw nagpapaligaya sa munting nagwawalay. At ang tinig mo'y parang musika, nagpapaligaya sa munting nagwawalay. Kay sarap nitong pag-ibig, umasa ka sa sinabi mo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Umiiyak, umiiyak ang puso ko. Alaala pa nung sinabi mo, nung nadarama pa ang pag-ibig ko. Whoa! Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat po.